Greetings, greetings, greetings. Tell me something. When you ask God to do something, you really, really believe say ma do it? Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God and talk to them in the Jamaican language, click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with all of your friends. And if you not do it yet, do it now. Click the subscribe button and the notification bell too to make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on. Right, yes, so.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as according to Matthew chapter 17 from verse 24 to verse 23. When them come down, which part the crowd they, one man come kneel down in front of Jesus. Him say, Lord, take pity upon me boy and make him get better. Do. Sometime I like say I get mad. Him catch fits and it do him bad, sir. And no 1 and 2 time, him drop down in a fire and in a water. Me bring him come to your special follower them, but they couldn't make him get better. Jesus say, Uno people will live in at that time ya. Uno no believe and uno no do it uno fi do. How much longer me have to tanya with uno? How much longer me have to put up with uno? Carry boy come to me. Jesus run out the demon and it come out of the boy. The picnic get better from that time there. Then him follower them come to him one side and say, what make we couldn't run out the demon? So him say to them, say, cause we don't really believe, say God would a do it. Hear what me I say. And a true me attack. If you believe even for little bit, little like the little seed them, you will say to the mountain, move from here so go there so. And he move. Nothing about where you nah go can do. When them come together at Galilee, Jesus said to them, say, them are going to take the man where God pick, sell him out, and give him to people where hate him. Them all kill him. But 3 days after that, he might go come back alive. And him follow them heart start at them when them hear this. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.